In the first block on Canvas, there are some very helpful resources that you can access about supporting this course. The last link in that introductory area is to a Padlet that I've created for our class to post questions about assignments. Remember, if you have a question, others could as well. Sometimes students find shortcuts or easier ways to post assignments or introduce new technology for something that's very interesting to use. This Padlet is a place to post questions and tips about assignments that are due in Ed 604 this semester. I'll be responding and answering, and classmates can feel free to respond to one another as well. Once you open the Ed 604 Canvas tile for this semester on your dashboard, you will see the introductory session that begins before sessions 1 through 15. There's lots of good information in there with tutorials that will help you understand how to be successful in the course. That introductory session or section is followed by boxes showing all of the readings, pages, and assignments that are links in weekly sessions for the courses. This will begin with session 1, which we're in right now, and proceed through session 15 throughout the semester. The sessions will be published for you I'll be posting them and making them public at least a full week ahead of when the work is to begin for each session. A lot of times they'll be open way before that. It's really important to keep on the assignment deadlines each week. If you miss posting an assignment on time and others are trying to respond in a small group or a whole class discussion, you're going to lose credit each day that the assignment is not there, going down to a 0 for missing the assignment fully on the rubric if you're not on time. So for this week's session, session 1, go to the box on Canvas. You're already watching this introductory video to the course. The second item to click on is the tile Assignment Reflection Number 1, Purpose of Education. When you click Open Assignment Number 1 from Canvas, you'll see directions about the assignment, the videos to watch, a prompt with the 1 to 2 page reflection that you're going to be writing, and a rubric to provide you with the scoring criteria that I'll use when you turn in this assignment. You're going to click the blue box up in the right corner labeled Submit Assignment to begin to open up a box so you can start to write. You're going to be uploading either a Word document for your reflection, or if you click over on the top of the box to where it says text entry, you can actually type directly into the box to submit your assignment. The last box in session 1 is titled Introducing Our Class. The last box for your assignments, that is. Click on the top of this to open up the directions, and it'll tell you about how to submit a short introductory video about yourself, like I've done earlier in this PowerPoint. You can use the ideas on this assignment to do just what I modeled earlier by stating your name and position, some interesting facts about yourself and your interests, and why you decided to enter into education as your career. This video should be posted by midnight this Wednesday, so that your other classmates have time to watch each other's videos. Then starting on Thursday, you should begin watching all of the other short videos that your classmates are posting. You'll be getting to know them as a class is built, and this one is built primarily on ideas of foundational educational thinkers, but just as much on the ideas and the questions that we all will be contributing with each other about the impact of issues and approaches in contemporary education as we're experiencing it. Make sure that you comment in your response areas on at least 3 of your classmates' videos this week. Some sample sentence starters are included in the original assignment to start you out with some positive interactions with your classmates. This is what the screen will look like to show that those ideas about introducing yourself through video and then responding to your classmates' videos. Finally, remember that the last section of the introductory module is a Padlet link to enter any questions you have for me. If you have a question, remember others probably will too. So please enter your questions there for clarification on the Padlet. Another option is to email me directly through the Canvas site. My email addresses are listed on the syllabus housed within the introductory module of this course as well. I look forward to interacting with you this semester. I can't wait to meet all of you this week through your video posts and also by reading your ideas about what you think are important purposes in education. You'll be submitting all of that by this Sunday, so I can't wait to meet you. Have a great week.